Hey! What's he doing? First shitter I see on my shitter! Oh, it's a shitter! Oh, that's fun! Look, it's a shitter!
Alright, what's up?
It's the one phone call she gets.
Hey, I have Richie and Guy upstairs. I have Rich and Guy over. Says thank you for referring.
Oh, you're welcome.
He was tied up in court and his associate Catherine helped her this week.
Nice.
Very nice. So, I love you. When are you headed back north? And how are you?
Felder Buzzsaw. Only on Netflix.
Wow. So how are you getting home from the airport? Okay. Yes. Oops.
That would have taken me alone 60 to 90 seconds at least to get him to take it from me. What you just did saved at least 60 to 90 seconds. So, and get it, boys, and up to you with your fucking fingers.
Just a pizza boy delivery.
Right. Nah. All of our not appendages, all of our extremities. Well,
you're leaving. I don't know.
And that's why we call him Chime. Because he loves to chime
What?
in. He loves to chime in once in a while.
Okay, brief me when you get home and I'll make head or tail. Okay. Love you too. Bye.
And again. All is over. But you start coughing after it anyway. There's no way you were holding in those coughs.
No way.
However, oh, look at you.
No, especially when he goes like this. Like this.
Yeah.
Blows the shit right out.
Yeah, otherwise I'm gonna be barking up a wall. It's like too much.
But you gotta get high, beef.
Oh,
No, you're not.
At the moment, you're
straight as a motherfucker.
At the moment, you're getting, the second plant you in the past hour and a half. So you're getting now.
Give away those fucking details.
Oh my lord. Hey, whatever.
No, I mean to him.
Yeah. And this as well. I'm not giving anything away to him. He's aware of everything I'm saying.
You
I'm
give
just
it
pointing.
away.
I'm pointing.
Just to point out the worst details.
I'm pointing chips out. Pointing chips
I
out.
would never point that shit out.
Bitch,
I'd be like preparing the next one already.
I'm not just the
Filthy whore.
Well, maybe you should once in a fucked up while, at the very least, because that's the least. Not that you're, not that you're, not owed, but not that you owe anything, but that would be a beautiful gesture, a courteous gesture, a friendly gesture.
This room needs some fucking Purell.
this. Okay. He's in front.
Yeah, and when the weather gets warmer outside, I hope both of those windows open.
Well, both of you can.
Has anybody ever heard of a fucking
What happened, Jones?
like omnidirectional speaker microphone type gimmick? Is it a speaker and a microphone?
Is it a speakerphone?
And is
it a
is
meter?
omnidirectional the right word? And does it exist?
What does it look like, Chimes? Take it out. Whip it out. Whip it out, please. Whip it out for us. It's right here. Right there. Right there. Reach right down.
Holy
Whip it out.
Is that a mic and a speaker?
Fluid.
Like wirelessly connects to a Bluetooth and It can be a speakerphone if you have this stuck in a cup holder of your car, or it could
I don't
be
know that there's any microphone
speaker.
transmission there.
Okay.
I think it's merely it's solely
Thank you.
output.
No, it's a speaker.
That picks up volume and puts it through something.
Yeah,
Really?
You said merely output. He said, no, it's a speaker.
it's speaker.
I'm sorry.
It's speaker and
Microphone?
input and output. So let's just see. Prove the point here.
These things take time, Charles. Why do you do this?
I'll pass that shit to Chimes.
Chimes.
Chimes, if you were to FaceTime your last caller and turn the lights out, if you were to turn the lights out, FaceTime your last caller and try to talk her into like doing something nude on FaceTime, would she fall for it?
Last female caller or last caller in general?
Last call in general is you.
All right, so then go last female caller.
That'd be. She doesn't have iPhone. She has Droid.
Who'd you just get off the phone with?
And that was.
Oh, would she fall for it?
She doesn't have iPhone. She has Droid. She just has Droid.
That's it. That's the answer right there. That's it. That's it. That's it. wait. Only wait. I got
Pass that shit to Sam.
I'm trying to try, Louis. I have to ask. I have to clear one point up.
What? What are we gonna clear up?
I would have to ask him. If you did have an iPhone, would you do that? Because if that were a yes, like, well, then of course, yeah. Then okay. Then I buy. Then I buy into.
I don't know anything about
buy
Sam.
into.
I want to know if his last caller would fall for it.
There's a Droid, and she's out with somewhere else.
Well, if you were his
I
last
know
caller,
her.
I would say no. You probably wouldn't fall for it.
How many definitions of last caller are there?
There's only one, and you're it.
No, he just got off the phone with someone who called him. That was his last caller.
Oh, all right.
So you're saying
No, I thought we
she's
were.
got the wrong kind of phone.
I thought we were.
Otherwise, she'd go for it or fall for it.
Oh, yeah.
Have some first, Shep. Have some first, please. Have some first.
He's right. No, it's have some first. Once in a while, you should just have some first. Yeah, or something along those lines. Yeah, you should just have some first. Keep that chips in your own.
Yeah, hold that shit as long as you can this time.
Are you forcing a re-prepare? A pre-repair? A pre-prepare?
I don't know, maybe.
Pre-repair.
That's rude.
Preternatural?
That's rude. Oh,
Penultimate?
Paranormal.
quiet. And again.
Oh, what she said, Bick.
No, it's not her. It's Brad Cooper.
No, boy.
And he said, no, the DG, is that Directors Guild Award, DGA?
Gosh.
Nominee Bradley Cooper attending the ceremony this evening before A Star is Born. So it must be Directors Guild. Nice.
Oh, he's gonna try it. That's my boy, Shep.
No, I'm just showing that this is a two-way speaker.
Fucking scared right now.
I can't believe I missed that fucking coffin fit.